Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back for another COVID-19 installation of what do we do to kill time and move ahead with our projects. Today, this is my labor of love, my E24 635 CSI, and I've noticed the exhaust rattling. I was going to do the instructional video of what I will be doing to change the rubber mountings that hold the exhaust up, and yeah, so enjoy. The first thing I've obviously done is get the car up on ramps. So I'm going to try to put the camera down somewhere so you guys can see what I'm doing. No promises. Okay, right, so let's see how well we can do this, eh? Alright. Okay, so see if I can go any closer. And that might work. So this is the mounting I'm talking about. They have one on this side and one on the other side. Since I'll be doing one side, I thought I'd buy a pair. The item I needed is this. BMW showed it as no longer available, but I think it's a generic patent part. So I did manage to get some from Sparesbox at a very good price. I think it was a 3-day ordering period. I will show you the part a little later. Okay, so 18211728332. You got a QR code there as well if you want. Right, and it's a German part, so we're talking OEM. Righto. Now, first things first, safety first. Get some gloves on. Now, I think the best way to tackle this will be to get a jack under the exhaust, lift it up a little bit, and do the biz, so to speak. So let's have a look. Now, very important, when you do that, try to put some sort of padding on the exhaust. I will use the bracket because it is most likely strengthened and welded, and I've got that little pad is a part of old car tires. So let's see how far I can get that up. Oh, look at that. And make it look so easy, right? Now, of course, failure to do this. Alright, I think we are as far as I want to get it. Alright, I'll stop now. Now, how do I do this without ruining the camera angle? Let's have a look at what we can do here, guys and girls. Okay, that's alright, that's alright. I think that it should do the trick. Now, if you do decide to put the car on the jack and get underneath it, please, please, please use jack stands. You should never, ever get under a car with a jack. If you've ever been under a car where the jack has started giving way, you'll definitely know why. Oh, that's a bit wedged in there. Look at that. There's a word for these things in Australia. It starts with an F and it ends in act. Right. We'll try to fit the same part with this bit pointing down to pick up the slack. So what I'll do is, let's have a look. I'll tell you what I might have to do. I might have to slacken the jack just a tidge and then lift it up to put it in. Of course it'll be, let's have a look. See if I can get some light. Like TV magic. I think that might work a bit better. So what I'll do is I'll put the lower part of it first, secure it into position like so, and then jack it up and put the top bit. Oh, you make it look so easy. Yes, because I've broken quite a few things in my time. Just remember, guys, while not everybody is mechanically minded or able or has the tools or the time, ultimately, if you do, no one will look after your property better than you. Something to keep in mind, yeah? When people say, why do you do your own work? I did it because I was sick of paying the dealer hundreds and hundreds of dollars only to receive the car with something not working and having to listen to the bullshit. Nah, mate, she'll be right, mate. We just had a little spillage. The boy's nut. It's all fixed, mate. Nothing to worry about. Right, so I need to give it a bit more. I had an E31. Had a brake problem. Went to get it fixed. And it was leaking brake fluid. The dealer assured me it was just a spillage and there's nothing to worry about. That's after I paid best part of $4,000 on the car. And guess what? They haven't done it properly. So, alright, so look at this. Come on. There we go. Just a tiny bit more, man. I don't want to stress the exhaust too much. I need that space. And while it's jacked on this side, I will go and work on the other side too. Two birds with one stone and all that. Oh look, it's still nothing. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Let's see what would happen. It's amazing what you can do with it, with a bar of steel, right? Okay, I think that sits there properly. So let's go on the other side now. Well, in fact, I will pause the video while I go on the other side. TV magic. Okay, so this is the other side. Now with a bit of luck, this should be easier to get this one off. Not that that's ever the case, but here's hoping. Whenever you're under your car, always spend some time. I can just spotted a wasp's nest. This is making this repair far more interesting than it started out as being. Okay, so this there, I might have no choice. Let's have a look. Yeah, that one's on the way up anyway, so do I try to cut it or burn it? I'll do it properly. I know, I'll do it properly. Which probably means I've got to get the jack off by the looks of things, guys. Which is a bit annoying, but yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll unhook the top, and that should drop the exhaust just a bit. I'll keep filming. Oops. Not that one. What are you doing there? What are you doing there, boo? So while all this is happening, I just had a rogue cat from one of the other gardens come in here. Get out of my garden. Right, of course it'll have to be an absolute bastard getting this off, won't it? Okay, something wrong with it. There we go. Nearly. Oh wow, that was close as well, look. I mean, I'm strong, but this is ridiculous. That shouldn't happen. Well, that's the joys of old cars, guys. If you like reliability, if you like your weekends, do not buy a vintage car. Whatever you're saving in registration costs, currently in Australia, registration is very cheap for these cars. You will spend in time. The good thing to see is that both of them seem to have aged at exactly the same time, which I suppose is a good thing. Right, so where are we now? So let's just see how far I can get that in. No promises. Probably need to lift it a bit, haven't I? I don't know if I want to use the crowbar again. But that one's in, so I'll just lift it a bit. I'll come and finish the job. beginning to end. This seems to not have been a very long job. It's been done in real time, really. So let's have a look. Come on, man. I think I've overdone that, haven't I? Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, I think it needs some lowering. That's okay. We'll get there. Okay, and we're back. Let's see if we can do the same thing, eh? Oh my god, it's working. There's a beautiful German saying, don't take it literally. Mit Gewalt geht alles. You can achieve everything with force. One more, and we're done. Look at that. Look at that. And now I can take the jack off. Ta-da! This is really it. Well, that concludes the instructional. Oh. It looks pretty. It's not ideal. It's not ideal, but I think she'll do. Well, thank you for watching. You can like or subscribe. It doesn't make any difference to me. I don't look to make money out of that stuff. But if you like E24s, anything with wheels, please subscribe, like, and hit the notifications bell. Enjoy the rest of your day, folks. Bye-bye.